I'm going to start the video with a few questions for you. When you enter the kitchen to cook, how important is the chimney to you? Do you switch it on immediately or after the tadka smell or the fumes start becoming unbearable? Does the noise really bother you? Do you wish the suction could be more for all that noise? Do you get a mini heart attack when the oil begins to drip from the chimney in front of your guest and you realize the importance of cleaning? Namaste, welcome to homehashtaglife. I am presenting to you this video that will resolve all your issues, address all your concerns and help you to decide and invest in a chimney that you won't regret buying. Also, this video is in association with Crompton. I have tried their QuietPro Chimney for a couple of months and here are all my inputs for you all. So, let's get started. It's QuietPro. Very quiet. Crompton has years and years of deep expertise in air and motor technology as they are the largest fan brand of India. And hence, their engineers mastered the art of air which is visible in the Crompton motor technology. One of the lowest noise level chimneys in the market called the QuietPro. A quietness that will help us hear some good songs while we are in the kitchen or having a good conversation with our guests, isn't it? Cooking has to be a pleasant experience and a comfortable one. A roaring noise from the chimney can be a real disturbance and spoil our mood. This powerful inverter motor comes with copper winding and is designed to deliver ultra low noise performance. Technological innovation doing wonders in our life. तो हमारा kitchen क्यों पीछे छूटे? All thanks to Crompton for coming up with this feature. No, actually it's a combination of two features. Let me explain. Filterless Intelli-Auto Clean Technology. Usually in our chimneys with filters, the grease accumulates and eventually starts dripping when the filter is full. Then we have to manually scrub it every week to keep it clean. This QuietPro is coming with a filterless technology and Intelli-Auto Clean Technology. There is a heating element inside that heats up after every 30 hours of use. We don't have to worry about cleaning. All the grease particles will drip into a tray provided below. Remove this tray, pour out the accumulated grease and clean with soap and water. The best part is our responsible Intelli-Auto Clean Technology will save us from the painstaking process to schedule and follow up the visit of professional cleaners for annual maintenance. So go ahead and enjoy cooking while the chimney takes care of the hassle-free cleaning. Gesture control. How many times you face this similar situation where you need to increase the speed of the chimney or to switch it on or even to switch it off, but your hand is soiled and you cannot do that without washing your hand? Well, Crompton QuietPro Chimney got you covered here. It has this amazing gesture control. If you swipe your hand from left to right, it will start the chimney and you can increase the speeds with this simple hand gesture. And if you want to switch off the chimney, simply take the hand from right to left once. At first, it will set the timer for 3 minutes, which will be useful, especially after deep frying something in the kitchen to take care of the hot fume and smoke coming out from the kadhai. And if you swipe your hand again like this, the chimney will be shut off. So smooth. Freedom of speed. This chimney gives you the freedom to choose your speed of suction depending on what you are cooking. There are total 9 speed levels along with booster mode. depending on what we cook. For example, if you are preparing tea or making roti, F1 is more than sufficient. And if you are cooking regular dal sabzi, then use F2. For pakoras, masala curry, F3 or F4 will be your go-to mode. And if doing something elaborate cooking with all 4 burners, turning on booster mode ensures high suction power, allowing the smoke and odor to leave the kitchen quickly and effectively. Depending on our usage, you can choose the speed of suction. Freedom from greasy containers, greasy tiles, and decorate your kitchen dil khol ke. Aesthetics. Does look matter? Well, it does. Yes, performance is all important. Since we have talked about all the features that ensure a great performance, let us now look at how aesthetically beautiful this chimney looks. Whether it is your color scheme, open kitchen or modular, whatever your style, this chimney will blend well with your aesthetics seamlessly. Minimalist design, slick and stylish, this one will really add a touch of class to your kitchen. Easy installation and ducting kit. Every Crompton chimney comes with a free 9-fit aluminium ducting kit, which is not offered by most brands. A free and easy standard installation is ours to enjoy. Simply book your chimney and their authorized technicians will come and effectively install it in no time. No hassles there as well. Let me sum it up for you all very quickly. Our stylish QuietPro has intelligent auto clean, has filterless technology with gesture control with 9-speed variation. There you go. Features and looks of this brand new Crompton chimney and my Crompton experience explained. I hope I am able to answer all your queries related to this kitchen chimney. Now if you have any further queries, please let me know in the comments. I will get back to you at the earliest. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family and do like the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.